Rolling blackouts are coming as California's power demand rose to a record high this afternoon, elevating the state's electrical system's emergency status to the highest degree conceivable during an intense heat wave. Additionally, the California Independent System Operator is advising of imminent outages. 4 days after President Biden's Energy Secretary Jennifer Granholm complimented the state's green energy programs. So that's 75,000 Californians presently without electricity as a result of California's energy policies. This is an absolute farce for one of the states with the highest tax rates. Additionally, PG&E Corp., the biggest power provider in the state, announced in a statement that it had informed nearly 525,000 homes and businesses that they would experience a power outage for up to 2 hours. The state's grid operator issued a Level 2 energy emergency notice for the second day in a row due to the fact that electricity demand is up 13% today compared to yesterday at the same hour. In a last-ditch effort to prevent disruptions, officials can compel certain significant power consumers to shut down, thanks to the emergency declaration. In a video uploaded on Twitter on Tuesday, California Governor Gavin Newsom stated, "We are moving into the worst portion of this heat wave, and the potential for outages is real and it's urgent." In order to assist the state prevent outages, he asked citizens and companies to consume less energy in the late afternoon and early evening. In addition, the southern region of the state saw a 44% increase in average day-ahead electricity rates on Tuesday, reaching $300.55 per megawatt hour, the highest level in 18 months. Things are only going to get worse when the temperature rises. Power grid authorities urged users to conserve electricity on Monday as California narrowly escaped rotating blackouts in the midst of a record-breaking heatwave. Californians were unconcerned about the potential for disruptions. Despite the California Independent System Operator's requests for conservation, many customers kept using their appliances, air conditioners, and at-home chargers for electric vehicles. They issued a warning for a scorching heat wave that was threatening to destroy its electric infrastructure for the 6th day in a row on Monday. Electricity consumption increased to one of the greatest levels, 52,646 megawatts, despite the fact that major blackouts were not reported, demonstrating how customers generally disregarded conservation advice. According to a Reuters report, the state's power costs haven't been this high since August 2020 due to growing electrical consumption. As more households and businesses turn down their thermostats to avoid triple-digit heat, CAISO estimates that demand might hit all-time high levels today. The fact that Californians aren't conserving energy as demand for power climbs gradually may imply that CAISO would order providers to begin enforcing rotating outages if system stress persisted. Perhaps then, after the fact, users will learn to save. The CEO of CAISO, Elliot Meinzer, stated on Monday, "As this unprecedented heat wave continues to increase, we need an energy use decrease that is 2 or 3 times bigger than what we've seen so far." So this is what the rest of America can look forward to? Let me know in the comments below. If you enjoyed this video, please consider subscribing and hitting the thumbs up. See you guys in the next one.